Hello, my name is Aflar Bashir, and in this video, I'll be explaining experiment and implementation of a bot for a simple medical diagnosis application from our conversational artificial intelligence lab. The main idea of this experiment is to create a chatbot that help users identify possible medical condition based on their symptoms. This chatbot uses both rule-based logic and natural language processing to generate meaningful medical insights. So, what is our objective? The objective of this experiment is to build an AI powered chatbot that can take symptoms as input from the user, analyze them, and provide possible medical diagnosis. The chatbot combines rule based logic for quick predefined response and NLP, which is natural language processing for intelligent prediction using the Hugging Face Transformers library. And the software used for this project, we have used Python, Flask, Hugging Face Transformers, and SQLite. And now let us go to the working of the experiment. When the user opens the web, they will see a symbol form where they can enter symptoms like fever and headache. When they click diagnose, the input is sent to Flask server. Inside Flask, the system checks the symptoms in two ways. Rule-based matching, it compares the input to a predefined dictionary of common symptoms. NLP-based model, it uses a predefined model called Facebook bought large MNLI to analyze the symptoms and classify them into most likely disease. The result is displayed back to the user with a diagnosis. Finally, all the results are stored in SQLite database, and the user can view previous records using history page. Now, let us go to the code explanation. The step one is importing libraries. We import modules like OS, SQLite 3, Flask transformers, and requests. This handles the database web servers and the NLP model. And step two is database setup. A database named medical underscore diagnosis .db is created using SQLite, and a table diagnosis stores the symptoms and diagnosis result. Now, our step three is rule based diagnosis. We define a dictionary that maps symptoms like fever, cough, headache. This gives a quick and fixed diagnosis if a matching keyword is found. Then, our step four is NLP based diagnosis. We load the Facebook bought large MNLI model from Hugging Face. This model can perform zero shot classification, meaning it can classify input text even without prior training on those exact symptoms. It checks the symptom against a list of possible condition like flu, cold, migraine, COVID-19. Then it predicts which condition best fits the given input. Now, step five is our Flask web application. Flask provides a web interface with the routes, the homepage where the user enters symptoms, diagnosis, process the input and displays the diagnosis history, displays the stored diagnosis history. And now let us see let us run and check our program. As you can see, it will take a bit time. We'll wait. We'll wait. Yeah. Now we got it. Now let us see. So in window, yes. So this is the medical diagnosis board. Under your symptoms, I can type fever. Then if I press diagnose, it says symptoms, fever, rule-based diagnosis, flu or viral infection, NLP-based diagnosis based on symptom. The most probable condition is flu. Okay. Now when I run the Flask app using Python 3, I can see this website. So the output is successfully displayed and the result is verified. We have successfully built a medical diagnosis chatbot that uses AI plus rule-based logic for intelligent symptoms. And as a summary, I would say that we have learned how to integrate Flask NLP models and database in one application. The system analyzes systems using both fixed rules and machine learning models. This experiment shows how AI-driven conversational system can simply can make simple predictions Okay, that's it. Thank you.